The craft and art and joy of baking can really bring people together, even if they're not physically together. I think the thing I love most about Platinum Yeast from Red Star is how easy it is to use.
And the thing that I loved always about Red Star, this was the same brand that my grandma was using, that my mother was using. And as I continued to grow throughout my career, it was still Red Star that we were using. At the end of the day, I couldn't have created this recipe for you without the help of Platinum Yeast from Red Star.
The really important thing is that you use the right yeast for the right product. The right yeast is always Platinum Yeast from Red Star. I always tell students is instant yeast, it's incredibly easy to use, but this particular yeast is always consistent. Everything is incredibly consistent.
Platinum Yeast from Red Star is my favorite yeast to bake with because it comes from a company that not only knows a home baker and wants the home baker to succeed, and just a product that will work in any recipe that calls for yeast. Active dry or instant, I grab the packet of Platinum.